Here's a question. Why does the 5 chord want to go to 1? What is it about the sound of a dominant that creates so much tension that we need it to resolve to the tonic? First, let's look at the notes of the 5/7 chord. You already know them. Why? Because you've heard twist and shout before. Yeah, that should be driving you nuts. Please resolve that chord. Finally. So let's look at 2 really important things here. First, let's look at the bass line or root movement. The 5th note of a major or minor tonality has a real tendency to drop down to the tonic. Why? I apologize in advance for the simple answer, but it's really just because we've been doing it forever, at least in Western music. In fact, we've been doing it so long that there's an entire theory that suggests all of music is just a series of 5s resolving to 1s. Check out the link in the description for more about that. Hear it for yourself. If you've grown up listening to Western music, I'll have Eddie establish a tonality and then play a bass line ending on the 5th degree of the scale. Where does your ear feel like it should go? You tell me. Eddie? Aren't you dying to hear it go to? Yeah, you're not alone. I'm going to call this a note's natural tendency, or expected resolution. A move that, over time and thousands of pieces of music, a note has become expected to make. Now, 5/1, or so-do, is not the only anticipated resolution in the major scale. In fact, there's 2 more just sitting there, ripe for the plucking. The note T really wants to go to do, and the note Fa really wants to drop to Mi. Don't ever forget this. In fact, repeat after me. I crack myself up. Listen to Eddie play a melody, but then stop on T. See where your ear wants it to go. See how your ear really wants it to go to do. Now listen to Eddie play a melody, but end on Fa, and notice how it really, really wants to drop to Mi. See how Fa really wants to drop to Mi. Hey, remember that root motion I was talking about? Listen to what happens when we play those notes we were just talking about, along with a bass line moving 5 to 1. So, T, do. So, Fa, Mi, do. We're starting to hear parts of our 5 chord. Wait a second. What if we played them all together and let all of the notes resolve using their natural tendencies? 5/7 really wants to go to 1. This is why it works. We've taken a bunch of notes that all have natural tendencies to resolve, and we've played them all together. I mean, what did we expect? Obviously, this is a simplification, but it's a good start for understanding. Look how easy it would be to follow this logic and add in another note that has a natural tendency and expected resolution. Throw it on top of the notes we have been singing, and we've got ourselves a spicy chord. So, T, Re, Fa, is outside of the scope of this video. Yeah, let's talk about that next time. Until then, please remember to hit the like button. And if you like videos like these, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have a music concept you'd like to see covered, leave me a comment below. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.